So we are back again today. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So this is the second time since morning that I'm live, and in the morning I showed you a beard transplant which was done on a scar tissue on an area where the patient got hurt and there was a scar, so we did a beard transplant in that area. And right now I'm showing you a surgical scar revision. So what are we treating, Dr. Adarsh? What kind of scars? Can we please show?
So this lady has a lot of chickenpox scar or some trauma scar, accidental scar, very tiny scars. Some are typical rounded 5 mm, few are of 10 mm, few of 3 mm. So multiple of 10 to 15 scars are there. So here we are treating it conservatively.
Alright, so we are basically doing surgical scar revision right now. So let me tell you guys, this is not for every kind of a scar. Whenever you visit the clinic, we see the scar and then we decide whether it can go for a surgical scar revision or not. It is a very basic procedure which is done under local anesthesia, and you can see the patient is very comfortable. Are you having any pain? I can't hear you. Yeah, so it's a very comfortable procedure done under local anesthesia, and it hardly takes about 10 minutes for one scar. So in this we remove the excess scar tissue and suture the area. So Dr. Adarsh, what after this, after how many days do we have to remove the sutures, or we don't have to remove the sutures?
Well, we have to remove the sutures, although they are removable. So we will remove sutures after 7 days.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright guys, and after this the sutures will be removed in about 7 to 8 days, and post this for the other scars we will be planning further CO2 and vampire sessions. And this surgical scar revision that we will be doing does not leave a mark. You can also see the before after, in which we have after 6 months of certain of our patients of surgical scar removal, which are posted on the Instagram page. So you can see. Okay, so that's all for now guys. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
So stay tuned, and tomorrow I'm going to be showing you a hair transplant, and the best part is the patient on which we are going to be doing this hair transplant, or just doing a hairline, is the same burn patient whose picture we had put a few days back, and a lot of you had requested us to get him live or to meet you guys. So I'm sure it's going to be an amazing opportunity tomorrow. And we are also doing a little bit of more density in his beard. And day after tomorrow we have 2 live hair transplant surgeries. I'll keep you guys updated. And don't forget to tune into my live at 4 PM on YouTube. And that's all for now guys. Bye-bye. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
And good night to all of you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.